these chairs. I'm surprised you don't have a pair of these.
Oh, I got some.
Just kicking back and watching these things is the way to go. I think baby's bringing fixings on.
Look at that there.
Man, you asked to get me started?
I'm gonna post this on my YouTube.
Get some flips, but not any really good deep rolls. The black one the other day rolled really good. But not when Gus rolled.
Just seen that grizzle at the top got a good spin in it too.
And the one on the roof is getting mated to that grizzle up there with the that one with the white. This morning they did okay, but they went halfway to fucking China. I mean, they went way to fuck up there this morning.
When Henny was in the rollers, these guys were assholes. These guys would try to charge you $500 for a pair of birds. Now it ain't like that. Rick, me giving birds away to people. You see, he gave Eric like 6 birds.
He went right into that tree. It was like they were fucking wild birds.
And hid. And went.
They look good.
We live in that camper on the property.
Well, he built a house.
Beautiful house he built. I remember when he built it.
And he was telling me he used to live on the trailer across the way.
He did, yeah. He sure did.
I can't imagine Henny living in a trailer long.
He built that house fast. He's a master carpenter.
That's what I'm saying. He's just too skilled to be not doing something.
All those buildings on the yard.
I want this fucker to be framed in tomorrow.
Drop it.
Can't wait to have fidget with me. She thinks I'm nuts. A little bit more.
Yeah, that's what they get excited to go in.
Then they hit the fucking roof.